Hey, it's Eli aka Atlas, and welcome to the first rule of thumb in a little over 9 months. And this is a follow-up to one of my previous videos on my method of digitally coloring skin tones. The original video was on lighter skin tones, so this one is going to be focusing on darker skin tones. And the reason I wanted to make this a rule of thumb as opposed to a full-length tutorial is because I'll be using nearly all of the same techniques, but applying them in a different way. So for that reason, this will be a lot shorter. Okay, so if you remember from the original tutorial, I like to do all my skin tones from light to dark, no exceptions, even for darker tones. The main difference is that I will blend a lot less than I would with lighter skin tones. The reason being is that the layers in between won't be so noticeable here as opposed to the lighter counterparts. The way I use highlights on this tone is almost more like you would color something metallic, almost. The reason being is darker skin tones tend to produce more natural oils on the face, and that tends to affect the way the skin reflects lights. So I would describe it as kind of centering your highlights. The final stage, reflections. The lighter skin tones are more translucent and you can see what's under them, which is why it gets easier to see someone blushing the paler they get. The reverse happens with darker skin tones. They catch most of the light and colors around them, again, almost like glass or metal. After that, I just drop in the external lights on them to place them into the scene, and that basically wraps it up. If you like this video and found it helpful, definitely make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share. All the links will be below for you to do those things on my YouTube channel. Definitely make sure you subscribe if nothing else. The numbers are really growing on my channel. I really appreciate all the support you guys continue to give, and thanks to the new reviewers as well. Definitely leave me a comment on any kinds of other tutorials and lessons that you would like to see, and I always get back to requests, so you can expect a video on that pretty soon. And make sure you tune in this Friday for a new episode of For Future Reference, and next Monday for either a new tutorial or speed art, but probably not a rule of thumb. Thanks for watching.
Salam, smit niyo sumiya. At dito sa sana, sa tanas pa niya